Okay, so I think I'm finished with the art part. So there's shimmer, some interference, deco art, rose gold, rich espresso, 24 karat gold, and white pearl. And then I also used a little bit of interference gold from Bling It by Color Art. It just gives a little bit of shimmer around the edges. So, and then I really picked the colors based on these handles that I got. And they're kind of French provincial looking. And I'm going to resin this and put these handles on either side. So that'd be pretty. So anyway, I'm going to let this dry for probably a day or so before I resin it, because you don't want any moisture from your paint getting into the resin, because resin and water don't mix. That's what I've heard. It's never happened to me, but you know, I just want to play it safe. So I always I love using deco art metallics, and I love to use the fine tip writer, which you can find on my Amazon account. You can screw them onto any 2-ounce bottle and use them for detail. But I love this because it's kind of neutral, it's shimmery and girly, feminine, romantic looking. And I think it'll be really pretty once you get the resin top coat over it. So like I've taped it up on the back. I've even got it built up a little bit so that when I resin it, the drips, it'll be ready to kind of roll on that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me do this, and I'll be back with more finished parts of it so you can see the process.